Hey guys, welcome back to the Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2013 Cadillac Srx. This vehicle has the oil life 15%. We already did an oil change on it, so I'm going to show you how to reset the light in case you want to do it yourself. So first thing you want to do, the car is currently running, so we're going to be switching over. In case you're in the middle screen here, to switch screens you press the buttons right here, left and right. Okay, so we're gonna scroll to all the way to the left, and then from there you can go either up or down. So we're gonna be going down, and we're looking for the oil life. Just keep scrolling until you get to it. There it is, oil life 15%. Okay, so from there we're gonna press the select button. Just hold it all the way down and keep holding it until it resets to 100%. And there it is, 100%. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like if you liked it. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Take care.